Last June, Meta paid almost $15 billion for 49% in a company called Scale AI. Now, if you've never heard of them, you're not alone, because they don't make any AI models that other companies or you or me would use, or any AI products that, again, you or me would use. In fact, what they do is almost all behind the scenes, but again, they don't actually make any AI models. Instead, they help other companies build their own AI models and handle a lot of the management around that. And one of the biggest parts of that is data. So why is data so important for AI? Well, let's get into that. This is part 2 of AI fundamentals in 44 parts. At its core, AI just learns patterns from data. So having good data is obviously really important, and there's just 2 types. The first is structured data. If we're talking about dogs, it might have like weight, breed, and age or something like that. You can pretty much think of this as anything that would fit in like an Excel spreadsheet. And then unstructured data, on the other hand, is, get this, unstructured. So like a picture of a dog or something. Another thing would be LLMs, because that text isn't really structured. It can be a short sentence, it can be a paragraph, it can be a Wikipedia page. It's just text. And also this data can be labeled or unlabeled. So for example, pictures of dogs might have the label corgi or not corgi if you're building a corgi detector. And you need a large amount and high quality data before AI is to be worth anything. A famous example was researchers made an AI to detect huskies from dogs. It was doing well and everything was looking great until they dug into why it was detecting the huskies as huskies and found the part of images that it was looking at is the background or the snow. Because every image of a husky was taken with snow in the background and every image of a dog was taken with like grass or something in the background. So if you don't have any data of huskies on grass or dogs in snow, then the AI is just going to learn snow, husky, grass, dog, and the whole point of building your AI is pretty useless. And that's exactly why Scale AI is so valuable. With every company wanting to make their own AI, they can help manage problems like these. And next up is how AI learns from that data. Cheers.